A subset is a set where all of its elements are also contained within another larger set called a superset. This relationship is denoted by this symbol. Okay. Now A is the subset of B, that is A is subset of or equal to B. This is the symbol. This symbol is representing equality or the subset. Okay, so A is the subset either or is equal to B. Now A is subset of B means every element in set A can be found in set B, but B can have additional elements as well. Now every set is a subset of itself, and the empty set phi is subset of every set. It is like a part of a whole. So phi is the subset of A and A is the subset of A. Now if example is 1, 2, 3, 4 is a set A and B is 3, 2, 1, 4, 6, 7, here every element of B is not in A, but all elements of A is in B. Therefore A is the subset of B. Now if A is 2, 3 and B is 3, 4, 5, here every element of A is not in B. Therefore A is not a subset of B. We write A is not a subset of B. Okay, so this is all about subset. Now next, total number of subsets of a set is 2 to the power n. Here n is total number of element of a set, means if you have A as a 1, 2, 3 members, so how many subsets is possible? There will be 8 subsets will be there. 2 subsets are clearly phi and the set itself. So this is your phi and this is your set itself, 1, 2, 3. Others are 1, set 1, set containing 2, set containing 3, set 1 and 2, set containing 2, 3 and 1, 3, all the combinations of these members. Now total number of subsets of A is 2 to the power 3, that is 8. If here 4 members, this will be 2 to the power 4 and 16 will be the subsets members. Now it is not possible to write all the elements of an infinite set within braces in roster form by writing all its elements, because infinite set we cannot write. Okay. Now some infinite set in the roster form can be written as writing few elements of the set followed or preceded by few dots. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 dot 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 is the set of natural numbers. 1, 3, 5, 7 dot 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 is the set of odd natural numbers. And dot 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 minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 is the set of integers. Okay. So in this way you can write. Now next. So all infinite sets cannot be described in the roster form again. Hence set of real numbers cannot be described in roster form, because it is the collection of natural numbers, whole number, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. So how do we write? We will write these sets in the form of intervals. Now intervals are a subset of R. R means real numbers. There are two types of intervals, open intervals and closed intervals. Open interval, as the name suggests, it will be open from both sides, from the right side and left side. How it is? See, let A and B be the member of real number. A is less than B. Then the set of real numbers denoted by open interval A comma B and A comma B open interval, that is circular bracket AB, is nothing but it is a Y, means a member Y. What is the property of Y? Y is greater than A and less than B. Is called an open interval. Here, all the points between A and B belong to the open interval AB, but AB themselves do not belong to this interval. Okay, so corner points, end points will not be in their open interval. Closed interval. The intervals which contains the endpoints also is called closed interval. Okay, so just open interval means no endpoints, closed interval endpoints will be there. Now it is denoted by third bracket, that is a rectangular bracket AB. So rectangular bracket AB. So here how will you denote? Here it is the X is a member and X properties of X is greater equal to A and less equal to B. So this is about closed interval. Now next is your intervals closed at one end and open at the other, means half open, half closed. So this is your rectangular bracket A comma B, circular bracket means half it is closed from the left side and open from the right side, is open interval from A to B, including A but excluding B. Okay, so it will include A and not include B. So this is called half open interval and it is open from the right side. Now this second one, circular bracket A comma B rectangular bracket, is open interval from A to B including B but excluding A. So how will you write? a comma b is equal to x such that x is greater than a and less than equal to b. Okay, so this is your about intervals, which is half closed and half open. The side from which it is closed, that member will be in the interval, and the side from which it is not closed, that member will not be in the interval. Now suppose this is the example. A is circular bracket minus 3 comma 5, that is open interval. Okay, a is minus 3 comma 5. So, and b is closed interval. Okay, minus 7 9 within rectangular brackets. But you can see that minus 3 and comma minus 5, all the elements between minus 3 and 5 will be here in b set between minus 7 and 9. Okay, so a is the subset of b, you can say. Now one more symbols are there. The set, this is closed interval from the left side and open from the right side. 0 to infinity defines the set of non-negative real numbers. Why non-negative? Because 0 is present there, so non-negative. While set open from left side and open from right side as well, minus infinity to 0 defines the set of negative real numbers. Why only negative? Because 0 is also not there, so only negative. Minus infinity to 0 open interval. The set minus infinity to infinity open interval describes the set of real numbers. Why it is open? Because endpoints are not there. Infinite set is there, so end is not possible. Okay. Now, universal set. A universal set is a set which contains all the elements of other sets, including its own elements. Basic set is called universal set. It is denoted by U. The set of natural numbers will be universal set for its subsets, such as set of prime numbers, set of even numbers, and odd numbers. For the set of all integers, the universal set can be the set of rational numbers. Okay, means rational number is containing the set of integers, so rational number will be the universal set for the integers. So universal sets are nothing but basic sets. It is containing all the present sets over there, including its own members. Okay, bigger set, superset, you can say. Now come to the next point. A set does not change if one or more elements of the set are repeated. Okay, means repetition is clearly not make any difference to the sets. So A 1 2 3 and B is 2 2 1 3 3 are equal since each element of A is in B and vice versa. So we do not usually repeat any element in the describing a set. Okay, now come to the exercise 1.3, class 11th, set theory. Make correct statements by filling in the symbols, subset and not the subset, in the blank spaces. Now first one is 2 3 4, whether it is a subset of 1 2 3 4 5. This is clearly 2 3 4 is lying in the 1 2 3 4 5 set containing the members, so it is a subset. So solution 1 is subset. ABC is dash BCD, so ABC is all the members are not present in BCD, so not a subset. So second one is not a subset. X is a student of class 11 of your school and X is a student of your school. So in our school, all the 11th student will contain in our school, so it is a subset. Now X is a circle in the plane and X is a circle in the same plane with radius 1 unit. Now if circle is in the plane, so it can have any radius 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so many. But if you are fixing at circle with radius 1 unit, so circle in a plane will not be the subset of circle in a plane with radius 1 unit, so not a subset. X is a triangle in plane, X is rectangle in the plane. Now triangle is not present in the rectangle. In explicitly, all the triangles are not present in the rectangle. If you divide rectangle by diagonal, you can get right angle triangle, but all type of triangles are not there, so it is not a subset. X is an equilateral triangle in a plane and X is a triangle in the same plane. So equilateral is the special type of triangle which is part of the normal triangle, so it is a subset. X is an even natural number x is an integer, so natural number is there in the integer, so it is a subset. So this is the explanation. Next question, examine whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, set AB not a subset of BCA. This statement is not a subset. AB is a subset, so it is a not a subset.